Next story is strings. Be careful from now onwards. Actual game will start now. Actual game will start now. This is the major one. Everything is based on this person only. Everything is based on this person only. Remember, string is immutable. Immutable. Means you cannot change. String is immutable, like integer, like character, like float, like int, float, string, complex. It is immutable, like int, float, str, means string and complex. Yesterday I showed the list also. Right? When you say immutable, means you cannot change. You cannot modify the content. If you try to modify, different copy will be created. Different copy will be created. So please be careful. Different copy will be created. Right? We'll see the string story now. We are going to see the string story now. Right? Please be careful. We are going to see the string story now. Right? Be careful, everyone. Everyone be careful. String story we are going to create. Right? Fine. Yeah, from now onwards, be careful. String story. Right? I am writing one by one. Yeah, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Now see this. Yeah. I think one problem I will say. Right? Tomorrow we will see the remaining problem. Let me say one problem. First problem I am going to explain clearly. See this. See carefully. A is equal to, see this one. A is equal to, assume exam prep 2. String like this. A is equal to exam prep 2. Right? Now understand. So many variations are there. Please listen. String A is equal to exam prep 2. So many variations are there. So when you do like this, one, it is string, it will store like this. Inside memory, it will store like this. I think somewhere I will write here. See this one. Inside it will store like this. A exam prep tool. See, exam prep tool. Right. 0th index, first index, second index, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one, 11th one. These are the indexes. To the string, these are indexes. Okay. Till now, everyone is fine. When you say A is equal to some string, inside A, string will be stored like this. Remember, these indexes I given from left hand side. From left hand side, I given indexes. Suppose if indexes are given from right hand side, it's a -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. If you go from left hand side, 11 only will come, because 0 onwards you are starting. If you start from right side, right, -12 will come, because 1 extra, because you are starting from 1 onwards. From right hand side, negative. From left hand side, positive. But it will start from -1, but it will start from 0. Be careful. It's a very, very important one. Please be careful. Its topic is string. It is immutable. Means you cannot change. If you change, copy will happen. Right? It's like immutable means, is there anyone else like integer also? Float also? string also, right? Complex numbers also, right? So A is equal to exam prep tool. How it will store like this? Now some people are asking me, sir, that is okay, whatever you thought of, you done already, that's fine. See the tool. If I say print A, what will print? If I want to say print A, what will print? Remember, print A means print string. Exam prep tool total will be printed. Exam prep tool total will be printed. You said print A, what will print? Exam prep tool total will be printed. Now some people are asking, is there any other way? Can you see this? Is there any other way? Print. Everyone observe print. Print. See this one? 0, start from 0, ending is 11. Ending 11. Right? Same symbol. Column. Right? Remember it is a column. Right? Starting is, right? Okay. First, before going that, I will say one more thing. Afterwards, we will go. First, let me complete this. If you want to print total string, print like this. Suppose, sir, I want only one character. You print A of 0. A of 0, only E printed. If you say print A of 5, only fifth character will be printed. Fifth character, R will be printed. Right? If you say print A of 11, L will be printed. Okay, so if you want to print total, you can print. You want to print one character, you can print. Some people are asking, sir, can I print like this? Print. See the answer. Sir, can I print like this one? Print A of -3. Yes, of course. From right hand side, what is the third one? I think O. O printed. Sir, can I print this? Print A of -8. If you want, you can check. -8. P will be printed. Okay. So, total string you can print. Individual characters you can print. Now some people are asking, sir, can I print like this? Print. Everyone observe. Print A, 0 and 11. So remember square bracket. Remember square bracket. Everyone remember it is a square bracket. Please be careful everyone. It is a square bracket. So what will happen is from 0 onwards, everything will be printed. 0 onwards. Exam. Prep. Tool. See this one, tool. See this one, until 11. So 11 is the ending marker. Before only printed. 11 will not print. Remember, including this, all, but excluding this. Ending is 11 means before 11. Ending is 11 means before 11. Remember, ending 11. Starting 0, okay. Ending 11 means before 11. 11, if you see 11, stop. If you see 11, stop. So exam prep 2. Exam prep 2. L is not there. So go to the 9. See this one. Print. Some people are asking, sir, I want to print like this. Is it possible? See this one. Print. Careful everyone. 4 to 12. If I say 12, then it will happen. But right, 12 it will stop. By seeing the number 12, it will stop. What is the meaning? 4 onwards start. Prep tool. Right? So when you see the 12, stop it. So it is excluding. 4 onwards, everything, it is excluding. 12 cannot be printed. Anyhow, there is no 12. Go to the 10. See the one more interesting thing. Print. Print A. Careful everyone. 4 onwards, everything you want. So, right, ending you didn't have. It means all will be printed. Ending no boundary. 4 onwards. Prep tool will be printed. Next one. See this also. 11. Print. A. See this one. A. 0 to, you are not given ending boundary. 0 onwards everything. Exam prep 2. 12. Print A, print A, see this one, print A, careful everyone, print A 10. So because of you didn't mention anything starting, so by default it will start from starting. Right, by seeing 10 it will stop. Exam prep TO, by seeing 10 it will stop. Right, take care of all these points. See the all outputs. Monk, is it okay? On strings, this is the story. Tomorrow we'll see many problems. Tomorrow we'll see many problems. Tomorrow we'll see many problems. You got? Yeah. So today's date is 24. I think today is the Tendulkar birthday. Today is the Sachin Tendulkar birthday. Happy birthday, Sachin Tendulkar. So I am a big fan of you. I hope one day I will meet you. It's my long time dream. You made India proud many times. You are the real Bharat Ratna of India. Thank you, Sachin. Thank you, Sachin sir, for giving so many memorable moments in my life. Thank you so much, God of Cricket. Yeah, so these are wishes from my side and from exam prep tool side. Thank you so much, Sachin Tendulkar. Right, fine. Sachin Paji or Sachin Bhaiya, God of Cricket, anything I can say because you deserve. Yeah, perfect, perfect. We can move now. We can move now. Right, so I'm writing. So one problem written yesterday. If you have any issue, please let me know. If you find out anything, any small doubt also, please let me know. Right? It is the next problem of strings. So I'm writing A is equal to B C D E, some gap G H I J. Okay. Next one, print, careful, print 1 comma A colon. Sorry, A colon. Print 2 comma A of 0 colon 4. Print 3 comma A of print 4 comma A of 9. Print 5 comma A of minus 5 colon minus 1. Print 6 comma A of minus 3 colon. Print 7 comma A of minus 2. Print 8 comma 3 star A. Print 9 comma length of A. Yeah, go ahead. Numbers also I given so that out of these many printfs, right? What printf, what we can easily say. Can you find out what the answer of this problem? Can you find out what the answer of this problem? Whatever you understood in the previous problem, can you try now? Whatever you understood in the previous problem, can you try now? Remember, string is immutable. Remember, string is immutable. String is immutable. Remember this, string is immutable. See, I written also. String is immutable. Remember this. Right, now this is second problem. This is the second problem of strings. Can you go ahead? This is the second problem of strings. Can you try this? This is called string slicing. String slicing means you can cut whatever. Slice means pieces. You can cut wherever you want. In the string, whatever portion you want, you can access. This is called string slicing. String is immutable, means you cannot update. You can do slicing, means whatever part you want, you can take. Whatever part you want, you can take. Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the answer of this problem? Numbers also I given. Numbers also I given. Those numbers are for our convenience. Actually, I want to give 1, 2, 3, 4. In the program itself, I kept. I have the facility, so I kept it. Inside program itself, I kept. So, see this one. In the 1, you didn't kept any boundary. So, this is equal to, in the 1, you didn't kept any boundary. This is equal to A of. This is equal to, simply, this is equal to print, right? Print A. This is equal to print A. Or this is equal to print A of 0 to, so how many characters are there? Let me check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 to 9. Whenever 9, it will stop. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These three are same. These three are same. So this one, sorry for this one. These three are same. These three are same. Print A also, it will print everything. Print A also print everything. Or print column, you didn't kept starting, you didn't kept ending. Means from starting from until ending, because no boundaries. In the first one, no boundaries. It is something like print A. It is something like 0 to 9. So first one, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J printed, first completed. Can you go to second? 0 to 4. Remember, this is the marker. 4 means stop. 4 means stop. B, C, D, so 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 means stop it. So second one also done. Next one, so 0 to, there is no boundary. So it will print all B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J. 0 onwards, everything print. There is no ending boundary, means print everything. Next one, see the fourth one. Starting boundary not given, by default 0. 0 to, whenever 9 stop. 0 to whenever 9 stop. So remember, this is equal to A of, this also correct. This equal to A of 0 colon also okay. All are correct. Right, now see some. Let's go to 4. Same. Third is what? Fine. B, C, D, E also same. Whenever 8 continue, 9 stop. 4 also done. Let's go to 5. Remember, let's go to 5. See this one. It is a -1, it is a -2, it is a -3, it is a -4, it is a -5, it is a -6, it is a -7, it is is a minus 8, it is a minus 9. It is a minus 9. Now see this. Right? Now see this one. Minus 5 2 means here. Minus 5 means gap. Gap 2. Minus 5 means gap. Gap 2. Gap 2 minus 1. So minus 1 don't print. So first gap printed, afterwards first gap followed by GHI, right? J is going to be minus 1. So minus 1 don't print. So 5 also completed. By seeing minus 1, stop it. So 5 is gap. So gap also I printed check. 5 is gap. Minus 5 is gap. Minus 4G. Minus 3H. Minus 2I. Minus 1, stop it. So go to sixth one. Go to sixth one. Minus 3 onwards everything. Minus 3 onwards everything. Hij. Can you go to 7? 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 0 to everything. 0 to everything. But when you see minus 2, stop. 0 to everything. When you see minus 2, stop. 0 onwards everything. When you see minus 2, stop. So what will be the answer? I want answer from you. Seventh one, can anyone say what is the answer? I am expecting answer from everyone. Seventh one, what is the answer you are thinking? Seventh one, what is the answer you are expecting? So minus 2 means I. Minus 2 means I. So what is the answer? Because of starting you didn't mention. So by default, starting you didn't mention. By default 0. 0 to until minus 2. So what is the answer? B, C, D, E, gap, G, H. I is minus 2, stop it. Let's go to 8. Aritra, you can ping me. You can ping me. You can WhatsApp me. So I am giving my WhatsApp number. You can ping me. If any possibility there, I will help. You can ping me. If any possibility there, I will help. So seventh one, if you see, from starting onwards, everything will print when you see minus 2. When you see minus 2, stop it. When you see minus 2, stop it. Seventh one, when you see minus 2, stop it. Monk, please check. Eighth one. Eighth one is going to be C, this one. B, C, D, G, H, I. So, one time you printed B, C, D, E, G, H, I. Again print B, C, D, G, H, I. G, H, I, J, I, J. G, H, I, J. Second time also printed B, C, D, G, H, I, J. Third time also printed. 3 times printed. 3 times printed. First time, second time, third time. Go to the ninth one. Length of A. Length of A. How many? 0 to 8 means 9. 9. This is the answer for this. Check if anything new is there. Learn. Sir, this is new, sir. Learn. So, sir, this point not clear. This point not clear, sir. You ask me, I will help. This point not clear, sir. You ask me, I will help. Let's see this. Let's see this. Everyone see this. You have some doubt? Let me execute. Just I am executing one time, you see once. Yeah, see the, yeah, check now. BCD, if not clear, I can make little bigger. See this. BCD, GHIJ. See the output also. See the output also. Is it okay? Someone is saying sixth one not clear. What is the sixth one? Let's go to sixth one. Minus 3 onwards everything. Minus 3 onwards everything. Means where is the minus 3 here? Minus 3 onwards everything. So you have to go this direction. Minus 3 onwards everything. You have to go this direction. This direction you will go. Minus 3 onwards everywhere. Right? So if you want, I will do that also. Let's see this. Let's see this. I'm just copy pasting. See this. What is the output? Check. Hij. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 onwards everything. So minus 3 onwards everything. Hij. Is it okay? Fine. Can we move next? So J is minus 1, I is minus 2, H is minus 3. Minus 3 onwards everything. Minus 3 onwards everything. See, it should be increasing order only. Starting point you given. Starting point you given. Starting point you given. Starting point what? Minus 3. Minus 3 onwards everything. So in the right, if you see the first printf here, ending point you given minus 2. Ending point you given minus 2. You cannot print the string in the reverse order. You cannot print the string in the reverse order. Ending point you given minus 2. String you cannot print in the reverse order. So starting onwards minus 2. Starting onwards minus 2. So you may confuse. That is the reason I given in this problem. You may confuse. That is the reason I given in this problem. That is the reason. Okay, perfect. You are okay now. Let's go there. If you are comfortable, we can move to the next problem. If you are comfortable, we can move to the next problem. Right? So I executed also. For your convenience, I executed also. Any online compiler you take, you execute. Any online compiler you take, you execute. So this also you see. This also you see. This also you see. This also you see. 3 into A. See what it is printing. See the output. BCDE GHIJ, BCDE GHIJ, BCDE GHIJ. 3 times printed. 3 times printed. Right? Perfect. Perfect. Let's go to class again. So I think this problem fine. I think this problem is fine. Right? We can move to the next problem. We can move to the next problem. We can move to the next problem. Yeah, next problem I am writing, so please take care. Next problem I am writing, please take care. Right? Fine. Perfect. Everything is okay? Perfect. 9 is there, 9 will print. 10 is there, 10 will print. That's okay. Now, next problem is going to be little difficult. Please take care. This problem is a little difficult. Please take care. A is equal to something, some string. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Next one, that is A. That is A. Now, next one. Printf or print. I will give numbers also. Print 1 comma A. Print 2 comma A of 4. A of 4 is equal to string na some x. You can keep double quotes, you can keep single quotes. A of 4 is equal to x. You can keep anything. Next one, print A of -5 to -1. Print. So I will give number also. I will give number also. 3. Print 4 comma A of -3 colon. Print 5 A of -2. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, try this problem. What will be the answer? Try. Try. I feel somewhere you will give wrong answer. Let me check. Is it okay if I give you text after 9:30? I just need clear roadmap. Yeah. Yeah, you can try. Arithro, you can try. Try once. Monk, go ahead. One, two, three, four, five. Totally 5 printfs. Totally 5 printfs. In the first one if you observe, print A. So B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J printed. That is okay. Go to the 2. Right? A of 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. -1 to -10. -1 to -10. So I think 1 over go to the 2. A of 4 is F will be printed. 2 is F. Now see the 3. See the 3 everyone. Everyone 3. So A of 4 replaced by X. See this one. A of 4 means this one replaced by X. Remember, it is a string. String is immutable. String is immutable. You cannot change. String is immutable. You cannot change. You cannot change. This will give error. Please understand this. This will give error. This will give error. This will give error. Right? So if anyone having small doubt, can you see one time? Can you see one time? One time see this. 0, 1, 2, 3. It is maybe F I am writing. F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful till now. It's a 4, right? 4. So now I am writing. Now I am writing here. Now I am writing. A of 4 is equal to some x. Right? Now run it. I am running. See, error message came. See this one. Error message came. And one more thing I want to say to you. Just let me check. One more thing I want to say to you. See this one. See this. 1. No issue. 2. No issue. 3. No issue. Further having issue. Check. See this. 1 printed. B, C, D, E, F, G, H printed. 2 also printed. H, I, J. 3 also printed. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Everything printed. Now afterwards error. A of 4 is equal to X. Right? See this one. String object does not support item assignment. Does not support item assignment. So remember, it don't support item assignment. Right? This is not allowed. It don't see this one. Not only modifying, it will give error. Remember, it will give error. It will give error. Because string str is immutable. It's immutable. It will give error because str is immutable. Are you okay? Bro, are you okay this? Yeah, perfect. So this is the error, right? It don't go further. Whenever one error came, further it don't go. Further it don't go, but anyhow. Let us assume it is not there. Let us assume this is not there. Assume it is not there. Right? Let's go to third printf. 3 minus 5 to minus 1. Remember increasing order. Increasing order. Minus 5 to minus 1. I think minus 5 is, where? Minus 5 is where? Gap. Right? 4 is F replaced by X. Okay. Minus 5 means gap. Gap followed by GHIJ. Gap followed by GHIJ. Am I right? Fine, that's okay. That's okay. So if you see the third line, minus 5 to minus 1. Whenever you see minus 1, stop it. Whenever you see minus 1, stop it. So let me check this one. Minus 5 is what? Gap. Next one, GHI, J minus 1. J minus 1, minus 1, don't stop. GHI, J don't print. Minus 5 to minus 2, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Totally 4 people. Minus 5 is gap. Afterward GHI. Total 4 people will be printed. 1 is gap. So this is completed, this is completed, this is completed, this is completed. Let's go to fourth one. Minus 3 to increasing order only. So fourth one, minus 3 to increasing order, HIJ. Next one, right? So next one, right? So until minus 2, remember? Until minus 2, 0 onwards minus 2. 0 onwards minus 2, increasing order only. After minus 2, right? Increasing order only. Right? After minus 1, minus 2 will not come. Increasing order only. So B, C, D, F, G, H, I is going to be minus 2, stop it. B, C, D, E, F, gap, GH. B, C, D, E, F, gap, GH. Are you comfortable with this problem? Are you comfortable with this problem? Please let me know. Are you comfortable with this problem? Please let me know. Make it fast. B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Are you comfortable? Please let me know. Little doubt also there, I will execute. Little doubt also there, I will execute. Little doubt also there, I will execute. So remember, it is the immutable. When you try to change, it will give error. When you try to change, it will give error. Please be careful. When you try to change, it will give error. Please be careful. So directly if you try to change, it is giving error. Directly if you try to change, it is giving error. Be careful. Be careful. So example, one more example take. One more example take. Yeah. This problem also take very interesting problem. This problem also you take very interesting problem. A is equal to A is equal to exam prep 2. A is equal to exam prep 2. Exam prep 2. Assume something like that. Some string A is equal to exam prep 2. Some string. Next one. Print 1 comma A. Print 2 comma ID of A. Next one. Print 3 comma A dot replace A dot replace prep. Print 4 comma length of A. Print 5 comma A. Print 6 comma ID of A. Next one. A is equal to A dot replace prep best. Next one. Print 7 comma length of A. Over, almost over. Almost over. Print 8 comma A. Print 9 comma IDA. To give more clarity, so many printfs I written. Can you go ahead now? Wherever doubt is there, we will execute. Don't worry. Wherever doubt is there, only that statement we will execute. Can you check now? Wherever doubt is there, that statement we will execute. Totally 9 printfs. To give more clarity, I given so many printfs. Try one time. Everyone try. One exam prep tool. So I will try one by one. I will try one by one. Wherever you have doubt, definitely I will execute also. Don't worry. Let's see. First one. Exam prep tool will be printed. Here exam prep tool printed. Exam prep tool printed. So first line over. Second idea of here. Remember this string, right? This string will store inside here, right? Inside here, this string will store exam prep tool. This will store inside, so it is having some address. So 1000 printed. ID means address. Some address is printed 1000. Okay. Second line also okay. Next one, a dot replace. Right, a dot replace. Remember, a dot replace prep. Replace prep. Replace prep by best. Replace, right, in the A string, first find prep. Replace that one by best. Some people are asking, sir, can I do? Remember, so string, right? String is immutable. String is immutable. Directly, if you try to change, it will give error. Indirectly, you can do. Indirectly, you can do. But remember, because of it is immutable, one more copy created. In the copy, it is done. It is done in copy. It is done in copy. It is done in copy. Try to understand. It is done in the copy because you are trying to change the string indirectly. Directly not allowed. Indirectly, if you try, it will change, but copy created. You know very well. If you change something, copy will be created. Right? That because it is immutable. Copy created. It is done, but in copy. It is done, but in copy. Be careful. So what it means, right? See this one. What it means is, in one more copy created, inside that exam prep tool. Exam prep tool replaced by exam best tool. Exam best tool. In the copy it is done, remember. But remember, in the copy it is done, it's okay. And not only it is done in the copy, it will return also. At this place you will see, this modified one. Remember, it is a copy. Remember, it is the copy. Here copy is there. Here copy is there. So you may get doubt. You may get doubt. So here copy, right? Copy contain that one. So you may having doubt, is it right or wrong? I also having doubt. So what is the length of length? If you see length of A, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 0 to 13, so 14. Here 14 will be printed. Now you will get the clarity. So this one, when you print A, because A not updated, it is a copy. It is a copy. So A not updated. If you see, if you want, you can execute exam prep tool only printed. Exam best tool is not printed. Exam prep tool will be printed. And one more beauty, right? So when you say print ID, same only will be printed. Same 1000 will be printed. Same 1000 will be printed. Because you are printing A. A not updated. Copy created. One copy created. A not updated. One copy created. 1000. Right? Next one. I will show the output also if you want. So A is equal to, now see this. Now see this. Now see this one. A is equal to this. One copy created. Because of this reason, one copy created, right? So you done the replacement. Because of this one copy is created. That copy stored in the A. Means what does it mean? A, one copy created. Whatever modification you done, that one you are storing in the A. One copy of A will be created. Remember, it is a different. It is a different. Different means it is updated, fine. It's a best two. It's a 2000 address. Because you are updating in the A, so A already having this. You are updating, so new one will come here. What is the new one? This is the new one. This is the new one. So now after this, length A print to prep replaced by best, that is okay. It is a 14. Next one, print 8. Now if you print A, exam best tool will be printed. Become updated A. So next one, print ID comma A, because of it is a different one, 2000 printed. Because 2000 will be printed. See this one, you are replacing, yes, you are replacing in copy. A will not update. So not only it is replacing, it will return. What exactly it is done? It will return. So it will print this. These many things we have to print. Right? These many things we have to print. So I will try if I have this. Just give me 1 minute. If I have, I will print it. Otherwise, we have to type. I think by God's grace, I have, because I typed already. Copy. Now see this. See everyone. Paste. Alright, run. Now check one by one your output. See this. See everyone. ID 3 times printed. ID of A first time 648. ID of A second time 648 because A not updated. Lastly print ID 856 different ID. Different ID. You can see this. You can see this. First time when you print ID, original A printed. Okay. When you print second time ID, original only printed because nowhere A updated. See, in this entire area, nowhere A updated. So same 1000 printed. But when you do last time print ID, A updated already. One copy created. A updated already. One copy created. It's a copy. It is a copy. One copy created. This function finally return. See, let me write. After replacing this function finally return, exam best tool. It will return exam best tool. So print 3. 3 is exam best tool will be printed. Check. Third one exam best tool will be printed. If you want exam prep tool only, so I have to change the code little bit. I have to change the code little bit. Change the code. In the place of B, C, D, E, G, F, H, you can write exam. I will write that also. Exam prep tool. Right now you will see same kind of outputs. Exam prep tool. Right, first time is exam prep tool will be printed. Next one, I think something you done. So I will change the other patterns also. Other things also I will change. Then you will get here CDE. Let me write. CDE replaced by prep. XYZ replaced by best. Then you will see the exact story. Same thing here also. CDE replaced by prep. This is replaced by best. For some string, right? It is working for some strings, it will work for all. Now check. First time exam prep tool printed. See, third time if you see exam best tool printed. Third time. See the third time. Here exam, na? Exam. Right, fine. Now everything is alright. See, first time exam prep tool, third time exam best tool. Right? Fifth time you printed A only, exam prep tool. Last time you printed the modified one, exam best tool. Right? Now check whatever doubt you have, you can verify. Whatever doubt you have, you see your output, you see this output. Is it same or not? Verify. Is it same or not? Verify. So can we go further? Can we go further? Hello, can we go further? See, same output. If you want, you can see same output. Same output you got. Same program, same output. You can verify your outputs. You can verify your output. Run. These are the output. You check your output. First one, exam prep tool. Here also exam prep tool. Second one, 1000. Here address is 480. Let's see the last four digits. 4480. Okay. Third one, right? Exam best tool. Here also exam best tool. Fourth one, length 14. Here also 14. Fifth one, exam prep tool. Fifth one, exam prep tool. Here also exam prep tool. Sixth one, see the address. Sixth one, see the address, 1000, right? 4480, like first address. Can you see the seventh one, 14. Seventh one, 14. Here also 14. Can you see the eighth one? Exam best tool. Here also exam best tool. because of it's the updated one. You updated the A, so you will see the new A. So if you see the ninth one, new address, here also new address, 5792. Is it okay? If you agree, I can go next one. So let's see here. Let's see here. In this program, if you observe third line, sir string is immutable. How can you replace? Remember, it is done, but in copy, right? Remember, it is a directly you cannot do, indirectly you can do. Indirectly you are replacing. Indirectly means using some functions. Directly means like previous problem. Can you see the previous problem? This is called direct. This is, you are directly changing one digit. See, A of 4. It is a direct change. Direct changes not allowed. Indirect changes are allowed. Indirect changes. But in copy, indirect changes are done in copy, not original, because string is immutable. String is immutable. Original things you cannot change. Directly, indirectly, original you cannot change. Indirectly you can change, not original copy. See, this is done in the copy. In the copy, this is maybe some copy. That copy will be done. Not only done, it will return also. What is the final one? It will return. A will be finally written, exam best 2. So it will print it. In the copy somewhere will be done, that copy will be written here. So third place exam best 2 printed. But remember, original not affected. It is some copy. In the some copy you replaced prep file best. But finally you are returning that copy also. Every function will return. This replace function finally return total string. Total A you will return modified. Total A will be written modified one. It is a new copy. Anyhow, original is not affected. So original I am checking. Length of original 14. Right? What is A? What is original? Exam prep tool only. What is the idea of that one? So A not affected. Now I try to change A. So whatever is copy is there, that copy I try to store in the original, because it is immutable. One copy created, new copy of A created, new copy of A created. Now if I say print A, new copy will be printed. So if I say print ID of A, new copy address will be printed. So please be careful. Please be careful, everyone. This is a nice problem, so that is the reason I done lot of research also inside. I done lot of research also. It is done but in copy. Right? So remember, string you can replace. In the string, some subpart you can replace using replace function indirectly, but it is done in the copy, not in original. It is done but in copy. The indirect modifications allowed. Indirect modifications allowed. Directly not allowed, like previous problem. Directly not allowed. Directly not allowed. Indirectly allowed. Indirectly allowed. Right? I am writing here. Indirectly means using functions allowed, but in copy. Indirect changes allowed, but in copy. But indirect means what? Indirect means what? Here the question is, indirect means what? Using some functions. What is the meaning of indirect? Using functions. Indirect changes allowed, but in copy. What is the meaning of indirect? Using functions. Using functions. Using functions you can do. But remember, it is that, right? This function finally written, replace function finally written after modification is over. This copy he will return. That's the reason he is able to print something. See, 3 exam best tool will be printed. 3 is exam best tool. 3 is exam best tool will be printed. Right? Perfect. Hello everyone, my name is Subbaralingam Gunta. I have been guiding students for competitive examinations since 2007. Based on my experience, I would like to share a few suggestions that can make your preparation more effective. I hope you are enjoying these lectures. My sincere request is please complete the entire subject without skipping any lecture. Every lecture is connected. While attending the classes, write your own notes and execute every program that I demonstrate. I strongly believe in that one time writing is equal to 10 times reading. And programming is learned only through practice, right? While doing the story at any point of time, if I am writing the program, you also write, you also do changes whatever you want instead of blindly listening whatever I'm saying, right? You also write the program, you also try whatever you want. So you have to make the notes also, and because of it's a programming, it's better to practice also. If you have any doubts, ask them in the comment section or join our doubt solving group. Our doubt solvers will solve, and you can see class notes of this, but these all lectures in the group also. The link of the group will be provided in the description. Please have a right look one time. And not only that, as soon as you complete any subject, right, assignment also please write. Assignment link also we are providing in the description. Lastly, you write the mock tests also, those links also provided. Once you finish the subject, make sure you solve the assignment and then attempt the mock test. That's where real learning will start. We will provide the same quality of teaching, assignments, mock test, and doubt support for each and every subject. Before I conclude, I would like to share one belief that is very close to my heart. I sincerely believe that quality education should be accessible to every talented student. No student should miss quality education because of financial limitations. That's why we have kept most of the courses at exam prep tool affordable so that every deserving student can benefit. Thank you for your support. Stay consistent, trust the process, and keep learning, keep growing. Good morning, everyone. Today's date is 01/5/26. This is the today's date 01/5/26. This is the today's date. We are starting lists, right? In the last class, we discussed about strings. Now we are discussing about lists or list. It's a very important data structure. It's a very important data structure, or a very important, you can say, class, right? For the Python programming language is concerned. So I request everyone, please concentrate on this. Please concentrate on this. This is the date 01/5/2026. Yeah, fine. So we can start now. We can start now. So what is the difference? So remember, lists will be denoted like this. Like this. Lists will be denoted like this. You may say that what about strings? Strings normally denoted like this. Double quotes or single quote. Strings will be denoted like that, but list will be denoted with the square bracket. So if I say like this, x is equal to like this, and that means it is going to be empty list. That means it is going to be a empty list, right? I hope you are getting. Let me know if anyone having any issue till now. Till now, if you have any issue, please let me know. And if you want, I can show one example also. Let's go one example. One example I am writing for Python. Can you see the Python? One example. And anything you can write. It's not a big deal. You can write anything, right? See correctly. X is equal to, next one is print x. Print x. Next one is going to be same thing only, print only, same print only. Same print only, copy. type of x, type of x. Let's see this. Let me run these once. You will get the clarity. So see this. I think two printed. Empty list is printed. Empty list is printed. Class is list. Class is list. Please check here. Right? Class is this. So now I'm going back and I'm explaining what exactly going on. Can you see this? Can you see this one time? So we are starting lists. Lists will be represented with the square bracket. Then what about strings are in the last class? Right? Strings normally denoted by double quotes or single quotes. Right? So how it will be denoted? See, x is equal to this. It's something like empty list. And one more, what is the type? Type is list. So normally Python programming language is object-oriented programming language. Right? Everything is here. Everything here is class only, object only. That is the reason you are able to see the output also. Can you see the output, how it look like? See this. Class is list. Everything look like a class only. In Python, everything look like a class only. If I say a type of, right, suppose if I take one variable x, so if that variable x is integer assume, they will say class int only. So most probably everything is object oriented, because the Python language is object oriented programming language. Every type they will show it as a class only. I can say which class. I can ask you list is which class. You can say list is a list class. What about int? Right? Int is a right class int. It is a class type int. You can say data types, you can say data structure, you can say class also, whatever you can call it as. I hope everything is fine. Now there is an interesting story. There is one interesting story. Let me check one small thing. Let me check. Careful everyone. There is one interesting story. I will try once. 10, 20, 30, 40. So let me run it. Right? So invalid syntax. Let's check where it is going wrong. X is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Right? So where it is going wrong, let me check. Invalid syntax, please, you forget a comma, where it is. Where you forget a comma, print x, print type of x, and this. Let me check. Maybe here comma, let's check. Separated by comma. Separated by comma. Now let's run it. See this one, print x. If you see the print x, all will be printed. If you see the print x, all will be printed. So remember, so list means square bracket. That is the first thing. Right? Next one, all elements are separated by comma. All elements are separated by comma. Right? Fine. I think until now, no one having any doubt. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Till now, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Till now. And one more thing I want to say to you, that is fine. That is entirely perfect. Now I will just say one more thing also. Please listen, everyone. I will just say one more thing also. Please listen, everyone. Okay, that is fine. That's fine, right? That's fine. Whatever we done is that's fine. Just I will try one small thing. Careful, everyone. X dot append 60. Next one. Wait everyone. Yeah, that's fine. Copy, and I'm pasting. Copy and pasting. Now let's run it. What will happen? Let's check. So if you observe 10, 20, 30, 40, that is the first one. Class is list. I think if you write the printf number also, I can write. See, it's the one, the first printf, it's the second printf. For our convenience, I am giving. It is the second printf. It is the third printf. It is the third printf. And one more thing for our convenience, right? For our convenience, one more thing I am doing. I have to change the printf number also. One more thing I am changing. Can you see this? Can you see everyone? One more thing I am changing. Observe everyone. Copy. Let me paste one time. It will be useful. Numbers have to change again. Numbers have to change again. It is a 2. It is 3. It is 4. It's 5. It will be useful. Let's see. So run it. I'm running. So you see the output one by one. First, right? I think print x. Okay. Print what I want to say here is, I think here I want to say ID. ID of x. ID means address. ID also I want to print for your convenience. For your purpose, I want to make this also. Just I want to print ID, nothing there. Here also. ID of x. Now let's see everyone observe. Now everyone observe. X is equal to this one. Right? Print first two. So as it is printed, can you see the printfs one time? As it is will be printed. And one more thing is address is, remember, 288. Last 3 digits you see. Because if required, you will see the remaining address also. See the last 3 digits, 288. And type is going to be list type. That's okay. But remember, using append, I added one more element at the end. To the XO, I added one more element at the end. I added one more element at the end. See, at the end again, and I printed the address again. Sir, after adding something, is it modified? Remember, it is A. It is A, right? Mutable. List is mutable, means you can change, you can add, you can delete. String is not like that. String is immutable. Integer is immutable. We already discussed it in the last class. Remember, right? So list is mutable. You can change. List is mutable. You can change. That is the reason. See, same address, same element, you are able to change it. You are able to add 40. Sorry, you are able to add 60. I think everyone got it. Everyone got it. Now let me do one small thing. You will get the idea. Everyone observe. Using append, you can add. But remember, one more interesting thing is you are adding, okay, but at the end you are adding. Whatever order you are adding, same way elements will go. They don't go randomly. See, you are adding at the end. Right? Systematic order you are adding. It will go in the proper place. Whatever order you are adding, in the same order it will maintain. So one more small story there. I will say that also. Let's observe what is happening. Append place, I written remove. See this one. Remove. I kept remove. Suppose is 5 is there, 15 is there, 60 also there. Assume this 160 already there. One more 60 maybe you will add at the end. You can check one time here. Careful everyone. I done this. Observe number. I think printf number I have to write. I am writing. Isn't that 5 is over? It's a 6. It's a 7. It's a 7. Understand everyone. I am running. If you observe clearly, first whatever list is there, I printed. Whatever list is there, I printed. Okay, fine. Whatever list is there, I printed. That is perfect. Next one, address is, because of you run again, some memory location allocated. Assume 136 or 3136, last 4 digits. Afterwards, what is the type of this particular one? It is a list data structure or list class. That is okay. Now see what happened. I added one more 60, append 60, 60 added at the end. 60 added at the end. Now I printed after adding, I printed the address, same address printing. So means what I want to say is list is a mutable data structure. You can add. Right now, one more interesting thing I done. One more interesting thing I done. See this one. Remove 60. Remove 60. Remove 60 means it don't delete randomly some 60. Right? It will start from starting. It will start from starting. Starting onwards, wherever first 60 there, it will delete. Starting onwards, wherever first 60 there, it will delete. Some people are asking, sir, after deleting from the list, is a new one created? Right? It is a mutable. It is a mutable, right? It will be as it is. Let's see. That's the reason I'm printing. After deleting, after removing, so can you go to 6 and 7? See, in the sixth one, there is no, in the sixth one, there is no 60. See, here 60 there, here 60 not there. First 60 deleted, not all 60s. Only first 60 will be deleted. Wherever you see first 60, it will be deleted. So what about address? Same address. Means same object. So what I want to say is list is you can increase the list size. You can decrease the list size. And one more thing is whatever order you keep the elements, it will maintain the order. So I want to add the one more element at the end, you can add. Right? So please remember, you don't go randomly. Whatever way you will enter, same order it will maintain. You can delete, means instead of saying delete, you have to say remove. You can remove, but first remove means first element will be deleted. You can append, it will append at the last. It don't append wherever you want. It will simply append at the end. So from this discussion, I want to say few conclusions to you. Right? Let me write the conclusions. Whatever you got till now, let me write the conclusions. With the help of example, I explain to you. Let's see the conclusions. Right now, see this one. First one, list is everyone observe. Note some important point about note, right? Lists, notes or note. Insertion order is preserved. Insertion order is preserved. To heterogeneous means different elements are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. 3. Duplicates are allowed. You can allow, right? You can keep the duplicate elements also. See, 260s I kept, it's allowed. Heterogeneous means different, not homogeneous. Heterogeneous. Different types of elements also you can keep. Inside list 2, different types of elements also you can keep. I will do that example also. And one more. Fourth one, values are enclosed within square bracket. List uses square bracket. List uses square bracket. Insertion order is preserved. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Duplicates also allowed. List uses square bracket. And one more thing I want to say here. Fifth point, I think I can add. Let me add here. Fifth point. You can we can increase or decrease list size. We can increase or decrease list size. We can increase or decrease list size. Please try to understand. These are the main points. Insertion order is preserved. That is one point. That I think maybe you are missing some content because of my image. Let me make the image size small. Yeah, sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Right. So I think about the list I am talking. It's a very important data structure. So if anyone feel something is missed out, you can see one time here. I'm just revising once again. List will be represented with the square bracket. Initially, empty list is like this. Initially, empty list is like this. Initially, empty list is like this. The empty list initially. Next one, you can insert, insertion order is preserved. Whatever way you will keep the elements in the same order, they will come. They don't come randomly. Next one, different elements also you can keep inside. Different elements also you can keep inside. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. If you want to keep same also you can keep, but heterogeneous objects are allowed. It's up to you whether you will keep different or same. Duplicates also allowed. If you want to keep 5 tens, you can keep. List uses square bracket. We can increase, decrease list size. We can increase, decrease list size. Right? Please be careful. In the case of strings, now if you see strings, we will use double quotes or single quotes. But when you say string, all will be. Right? When you, in the string, if you observe clearly, inside if you observe, all are characters. Inside the string, all are characters. You may say the difference between string and a list what? List also continuously will be there, string also continuously will be there, it's fine. I understood. But in the case of the list, it is, right, remember, it is a mutable. List is mutable. But this one, string is a immutable. It's a immutable, means you cannot change inside things. Inside thing you cannot change, but here you can change. You can change it. It's a mutable. It's a mutable. So I will do few examples also on that. Right? Let's go to the one time, whatever we are doing currently. Let's go there. See, I given some example also. You can see this. I given some example also how I took one list, I printed it. So as it is printed, I printed the address also. 3136 printed. Next one, I printed type also. List type is list. Right? That is okay. Until now, okay. After adding one element at the end, remember, append will add element at the end. And one more, sir, don't it check is it already available or not? You don't check because duplicates also allowed. Append will add elements at the end. Next one. So printed after printing 60 printed lastly. 60 printed lastly. One more element. Sir, already 60 there. You don't care. Append will add elements. And one more important thing is, right? List is increasing because of append. Now some people are asking, sir, can I delete? Yes. If you say remove 60, first 60 will be deleted, not all 60s. Right? Afterwards, if you observe clearly, same address will be printed because same thing is modified. Let me know anyone having any objection till now. Ready, sir? I have some doubt. You ask me, I will help. Yeah, let me know any doubt. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. You ask me doubt, I will explain. Okay, until now fine. So append and remove, everything is fine. One more set is there. I will do that also. Can you see this? One more set is there. I'm doing that also. Can you see this? In the place of append, right? One more thing I'm doing. One more small thing I'm doing. Can you see this one? Everyone observe. Can you see this one? Append. Everyone observe. Append at this place. Append. I'm writing EPT. Append EPT. Double quotes. Right now, observe what is happening. Now, observe. If you observe clearly, after appending, it is assume that this number is assume that 8 is 7 is over 8. Assume it's a 9. It's a 9. These numbers are for our purpose. Now let me run this and you see. Let me run this and see. See the ninth one. See the ninth one is address. See the eighth statement. See. All are integers. Previous all are integers. Previous all are integers. Now I kept one string also. That is the reason list is a heterogeneous. List is heterogeneous. Be careful. List is heterogeneous. And one more, right? If you observe clearly, 5 is there at the 0th index, right? So I will write those also. Can you see this? I will write those also. If you observe clearly, I will write. See this. Something like x is equal to some numbers. X is equal to, see this one, 5. Remember, separated by comma. 10, 15, 20, 30, some 40, right? And one more. If you want, you can add some other data type also. APT, and one more 10.5, and one more, I can say one more. Let's see this one. One more thing. 5 plus 6j. Some complex numbers also. If you want, you can write the true, false also. Some boolean also will come. That is okay. This is the 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. 0th index onwards it will start. Right now, what I will do is, see this one. Now, what I will do is, how do we access a particular element? Simply, if you want to print particular element, XR4, and the strings also same. Suppose if it is a string, XR4, fourth element you will get. Specific element you will get it. Specific element you will get. Let's give 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah, if you want to get specific element, you have to say XR4. Print XR4, then you will print that element. Now, some people are asking, sir, can I change it? Of course, you can change. It's immutable. XR4 is equal to, let me write now. XR4 is equal to something, whatever you want, you can write. Whatever you want. I'm writing some string. EPT Python. Yeah, you can write. Then afterwards, printf. You do afterwards printf, you will print it. Print XR4, then you are able to see the same thing. If you have a little doubt also, let's go back and let's check here. Let's go back and then let's check here. Can you see this? Can you see one time? For your convenience, I want to do that also. Right? See this one. Until now, fine. You added the EPT at the end, okay? Now I am changing something. Can you see once? Can you see once? I am changing something. See everyone. So 9 is over. Yeah, I will take care about. Some people are asking, sir, how to write comment in the Python, sir? Just write hash. You write hash, right? The hash you keep for every any sentence, any statement. If you want to make comment, just keep the hash. Right? Fine. Now observe. Now observe here what is happening. Now observe here what is happening. Everyone say this. Everyone say this. XR4. XR4. If you see XR4 and you want to give some number so that we can easily track it. 10 I given. Right, next one. Yeah, XR4, that's a perfect. You printed also. Next, what I am doing is, can you see this? X of 4, x of 4 is equal to some string, let's keep ept python. Ept python I get. Right? So I printed x of 4 one time, I changed it. Now again, if you want, I can print it. So let me print the total string, total list. I'm printing total list. I'm printing total list. Can you see this one time? I'm printing total list. Total list I'm printing. Let me copy. Its number is 11 for our convenience only. 11. Afterwards, it became 6. It became 12. Right now, concentrate on the last part. What we done till now? Last part, concentrate. Maybe let's see. Because of cat till I kept some error maybe. Right? Because right, Python language is a case sensitive. Small x is different, big X is different. Yeah, okay, perfect. Now perfect. Concentrate on the right last part. But let's see the address. Address is, remember, 5216. Address is remember 5216. And one more most important thing is, this is mutable. This is mutable. If you change also, new object will not create. It is a mutable. You can change it. So if you want, you can change. Total story contains same address 5216. Totals, right? Total every one contain 5216. So initially this list address is 5216. Now see, everywhere. Last one also 5216. Same address. Now one more thing is, see this one. One more thing is, carefully observe. Carefully observe. See this one. Carefully observe. If you, I think if you see here, 11th statement is printing x. So 10th statement is printing x of 4. 10th statement printing x of 4. Let's go to 10. X of 4. See this one. 0, 1, 2, 3. And 4. Fourth one is 30. 30 will be printed. 10th statement is printing x of 4. 30. Now that 30 is replaced by EPT Python. That 30 replaced by EPT Python. So after replacing, alright, I printed again. Same address, same thing is fine. So it is a mutable. List is mutable. Please try to understand everyone. List is mutable. Please try to understand everyone. I hope all the basics I covered. It is a heterogeneous. It is mutable. So I will write those points also. It will be useful to you. Let me write now. Some more notes. List is mutable. List is mutable. Means you can add, delete. You can add, delete. You can delete. You can add. You can modify. You can modify. You can delete, add, modify. But remember, all are going on within the list only. That in place. That is the meaning of mutable. It is in place. Within that only, all the changes are going on. Within that only, all the changes are going on. List is mutable. You can delete, add, modify. So it's like that. Let me know any objections till now. Ready, sir? I am not okay with some of the points. You just say which point is not okay. I am going to take care. Sir, this point is not okay. Ready, sir? This point is not okay. You say to me, I will help you. Insertion order is provided. Whatever order you will insert, same way they will come. That's the one thing. Heterogeneous, different elements you can keep. Duplicates are allowed. Same thing you can copy. Same thing you can keep any number of time. List uses square bracket. List uses square bracket. Elements separated by comma. Elements separated by comma. Elements are separated by comma. Next one, we can increase, delete list size. Okay, we can increase, decrease list size. And remember, so we can increase, right? We can add how? Using append function. We can delete how remove function. Remove will delete first occurrence, not all occurrences. Append will add at the end. At the end it will add. It is the first occurrence only, not all. So I think, see this. Why it is mutable? Why it is mutable? If you print x of 4, 30 will be printed here. If you print x of 4, EPT Python will be printed. That is the meaning of mutable. You can, and interesting thing is same address, right? Different object is not created. Different, right? Different thing is not created. Same only. Same address, same only will be done. I think everyone is comfortable. If you comfortable, please let me know. Now I will give some examples. Can you go to first example? Can you see the first example? I'm starting now. All basics are done. First example I am giving. First example I am giving. Please take it. Sir, what is the difference between string and list? In the string, everyone is a character. But here, everyone is whatever you want, you can select. String is immutable. You cannot change string contents inside. But here you can change. That is the meaning of mutable. You can increase in the string. You cannot increase the string size. You cannot decrease the string size. It is a fixed almost. But here you can increase with the help of append. You can decrease with the help of remove, like that. Okay, I think you are okay. Now I will try to give one small example. Can you see this? One small example I'm going to give. See once. Something like, see this one, x is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. X is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Right now, see, print, right? Print 1x. For our convenience, I am giving 1. So when you say print, it will print. Okay, it will print 10, 20, 30, 40 will be printed. Okay, I understood. Now say this one. If I want to say print, right? X of 0, only 0th person you want to print, only 10 will be printed. Next one, see this one, print, for our purpose only these numbers 3, right? So print 3, third printf I am doing, carefully, x of, be careful everyone, x of, interesting answer, x of -1. When you say x of -1, like strings here also, it is a 0, 1, 2, 3, it is a -1, -2, -3, -4. When you say x of -1, 40 will be printed. Be careful this. Third printf is 40 will be printed. Next one, it's something like string, but a little changes. Fourth printf I am writing x of 1:3. You know very well what is the meaning. From 1 onwards, everything will be printed, but by saying 3, it will stop. So 1 will be printed, 2 will be printed, but by saying 3, it will stop. So 20, 30 will be printed. Right from the 1, right, when I see the 3, don't print it. 1, 2 only will be printed. So that is also okay, everyone know. Next one. Suppose if you say x of 0 is equal to 100. Now if you say print, right, x of 0, then it will print 100. Whatever you change, it will happen. Okay, go ahead. This is the first problem. I written everything by myself. I written input, output, everything I written by myself. It's very simple. It's a very simple one. It's a very simple one. Anyone having any objection, you can say. Small objection also you can say. It is for you. You have doubt, you can ask. These classes are for you. Any doubt there, you ask, I will help you. Any doubt there, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Go ahead everyone. Some complex problems are going to come. Do you have any objection? Do you have any doubt? Let me know. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. right? So I think I can move to the next problem. I think I can move to the next problem. No one having doubt? Can you see the next example? Can you see the next example? Can you see the next example? Next example, can you see? Whatever you know, those only I am trying. So let's see. So list 2 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 20. The next example. List is equal to 10, 20, 30, 20. Okay, fine. Next one. Print. First printf I am writing. Print 1 comma list. Print 1 comma list. Next one. Print 2 comma idea of list. Next one. List dot append ept. Print 3 comma list. Print 4 comma idea of list. I think we are already done. We are already done similar kind of thing for your convenience. List dot remove 20. Now print 5 comma list. Print 5 comma list. Print 6 comma idea of list. Next one. List is equal to list into 2. Yeah, it's a very important one in this problem. This is the interesting point. I will write different color also. I will write different color also. In this problem, this is something nice. This is something nice. In this problem, this is something nice. Please careful. In this problem, this is something nice. This is the thing which I want to explain to you. The remaining all mostly, we are already explained also, but this is the important one. Next one, print 7 comma list. Next, print 8 comma idea of list. These are the things. These are the things. These are the things. List is equal to this. Print list dot append, print list dot remove, print, right? Like this. All the things are fine. Yeah. If you okay now see the output one by one. Output one by one you see. What about one output? Be careful, everyone. What about one output? I will see. One output is normal. 10, 20, 30 will be 30, 20 will be printed. That's okay. Go to the 2. Some address. 1000 address is printed. Let us assume 1000 address will be printed. So it is starting from 1000. Let us assume. Next one, append. You will append EPT. Okay, fine. Now print it. After appending, if you print 10, 20, 30, 20, lastly EPT. Because whatever way you get, order will be maintained. That is also ID. So I think because of it is a mutable, same address. Remove 20. Remove means, remember, from starting. This 20 will be removed. So which will goes to afterwards. Remove 20. Yes, remove. Now print it. So 10 first 20 will be removed. 30, 20 EPT will be printed. Okay, that is also okay. Next one, ID, right? ID you print. ID means address. I think after removal, after appending, address will not change. Same object only. Same object only. But now understand. Remember everyone. Remember. List into 2. See, what is the meaning of list into 2? First, let me check what is the meaning of list into 2. List into 2 means whatever list you have till now, it will become double. Same thing copy twice. That is the meaning. So let's see. 10, 30, 20 EPT already there. Remember, in the case of Python, there is no string, there is no character. Both are same one. You can keep double quotes or you can keep single quotes. No objection at all. So in 10, 30, 20, 10 EPT, you kept already, but it is a twice, two times. Again 10, 30, 20 EPT, EPT. So like this, that will become double done. But one more thing is, you increased and you made it double. Then what happened is, it is increasing almost like a double like that. So you cannot increase the list like that. So a new one will be created. New one will be created. Try to understand. New one will be created. So if you print the address, it will print to 2000. Some other address it will be printed. It will print some other address. Try to understand. Everyone, try to understand. Some other address will be printed because it is growing. It is growing double, right? Double increment. So because of that reason, right? Available object may not having space. Available object continuously that one space may not be available. So what it will do is, automatically one new list will be created. Double increment. So, right, new space required. In the existing one, we cannot accommodate. In the existing one, we cannot accommodate. Try to understand. Anyone having any objection? Sir, ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Sir, I really have this doubt, sir. You just ask me, I will help. So, not only that, just I want to say to you one more thing. I want to say one more thing to you. See this. Series. I am running also. Can you see the execution one time? I am just running also. Can you see? Before explaining to you, I also run myself so that it will give clarity. Paste. So run it. When you run this one, you will see that. See this. When you run this one, see. When you run this one, if you observe clearly, initial address. Right. First I am printing. See this. First printf is printing the list. Next is ID, right? Let's see. See, first printf print the list. Next one is address. Address is using the 2720. Address is 2720. Address is 2720. Okay, fine. Next one, afterwards what I done is, I appended EPT. I printed the address, same address will be printed. That is also okay. Next one, afterwards I done the remove 20. I think I done the remove 20. I think first 20 will be deleted. Afterwards I printed, so same address. Now see this one, double I done. Everyone observe, double I done. List is equal to list into 2. Double I done. Can you see the address changed? Can you see the address changed? Because double, that much space we don't have. In the existing one, I can add element. I can add element wise. I can delete element wise. If you make double, triple, so I cannot allocate the same space. In the same space, I cannot keep. So from this, please learn, even though list is mutable, there is a limit for everything. If you increase double, from where I will bring the space? If you increase double, from where I will increase the space? Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Check one time. Are you getting any problem? See this one, address different, last one different. If you make double, triple, from where I will bring the space? So somewhere else, wherever space is there, right? It will create the more space. From there it will be shifted. There it will be shifted. I hope everyone comfortable. I hope everyone is comfortable. So I'm writing that note also. Please remember. So append in the list to append. In the list to remove. Right? Append is one more is remove, and one more is list into 2. Double size. So if you observe clearly all these three, it will add end. It is delete first. Add and delete first. It will make a double. It will make a double. Whatever you have, it will make double. That is okay. Now, if you see this, right, it is a functionality. If you see this one, right, what about new object? New object created. New object created. New object created. Here. No, same only updated. Here also, same only updated. Here, new object created. Yes. Right? Fine. So new object created, which is nothing but ID. ID changes or not? Here, no, ID will not change because of same thing only updated. Here, ID changes. Yes. Because almost like a double space needed. Double space needed. So please try to understand. Are you okay with this? Are you comfortable until now? About list, everything I covered, everything from here it is covered. From here it is started. From here it is started. It's a list first lecture. Please make it as independent. Don't link this one and previous one. Don't link this one and previous one. Everything is independent. This is list. In the previous one is string. This is list. This is list. So please try to understand. Okay, fine.